I just had to make a video on this new purchase I've got. It's an Electrolux Ergorapido. I went in the shop to purchase a handheld mini vac, you know, like for the crumbs in the kitchen or whatever, when you've just got a little spillage. And I came back with this because it was on offer, and it's, well, I didn't even know anything about it. It's just amazing. So I wouldn't do without it now. I've had it a fortnight. I haven't even used my normal big vacuum cleaner. I don't need to. I just use this. It's so easy. So it's got, like I say, the mini vac incorporated in it. So you've got the best of both worlds here. So bear with me because I'm trying to do the video on my own. So what you do, you see these buttons here. You press them, and that then releases. It's got to be like a dual action, so it's a bit hard to do with holding the camcorder. You press the buttons and it releases the mini vac. So I'll just have to put the camera down for a sec so I can do it. You press them at the same time of pulling this out. So just bear with me a second, I'll go ahead and do that and show you the mini vac. There you have it. That's the mini vac. Now this is, it's a lot more powerful than any of the handheld vacuums that I was going to purchase. It's got a lot more power to it. So the mini vac, just press the silver button there and you're all good to go. Now I haven't, like I said, I've had it a good couple of weeks, probably near 3. I haven't used this part of it because it's just a lot easier to just pick this up and go with this. It gets into, with the swivel action it's got, it gets into any nook and cranny that you've got. It's excellent. So I haven't actually been using this, but I do tend to go more with this. So if we pop it back, it's nice and easy to pop back. You just slot it in there, press it down, push it back, hear the click, and then I'll show you how this works. So it's going to be a bit hard because I'm videoing myself using it today. Normally my husband's around, but so you just pick it up. Now you notice that, look at this manoeuvring you've got here. So you can get literally anywhere. It just turns itself. This action here will allow it to just get anywhere. It's so easy. So to switch this on, the big silver button there, and you're off and running. And let me show you what these bits. First time it gets a bit. First time every time. So easy to maneuver. You can see there how you can just steer it like one way then the other way. So any direction. Excellent. So when you've finished, just click it off there. And I'll leave this video for now. I'll come back with another video in a second. Of where it's stored and a few extras.